How to get $100 Lyft promo code. First of all, open up Google in your device and then type in the search bar and then type in Lyft promo code. Once you land on multiple search results, you will have various sites that will provide you the Lyft promo code. Here you can simply tap in on any link. For example, I have this link that says www.groupon.com. Tap on it. Now if you scroll through this, you will have varieties of deal with $16 off, $5 off, $18 off, and many more. So you can check out all of this. Now to use it, simply tap on it. Now you have to copy this promo code given here. Copy it. Now to use it, tap on Shop Now button. That will take you to a Lyft. Here you have to sign in, and after that find your ride. Once you find your ride, you can check out that, and during the checkout process there you have an option to enter the promo code. So you can simply paste the promo code that you have copied recently and use that promo code. You can check out all of these given sites here. For example, couponfollow.com, www.retailmania.com. So don't forget to check out all of these links which have tons of Lyft promo code, and you can use that during the checkout on Lyft. So these are the way to get $100 Lyft promo code, and that's all for this video. Hope this video helped you. If you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.